Hey guys, what is up? I hope all is well. So today's video is going to be a first impression slash hair review on West Kiss wig review. West Kiss reached out to me. They wanted me to try their hair, their wig, and I was like, yeah, sure, why not? Those of you who are new to my channel, I've been doing YouTube for a very long time, and a lot of my content in the past was a lot of beauty related stuff. I did makeup, hair, all of the beauty girly things. So I'm kind of going back to my roots, and I used to love a good wig. Like, I love playing around with my hair. I love trying different hairstyles. One minute my hair is short, the next is long, curly. So I like to play around with my hair. A lot of you guys said that you guys liked me with hair, and you know, I just want to get back to my roots a little bit and just have fun with hair and makeup again. I felt like West Kiss, they reached out to me in the perfect time of me just experimenting with hair. Like, I'm the ultimate girly girl, and we're gonna try this out today. So you're gonna check out to see what's in this box. As you can see, this is a really cute girly box packaging right here. This is pink. The Kiss lipstick right here. The ultimate girly girl packaging right here. Let's open it up. So you have your wig right here. I got a small, I have a small head. You have the option to pick small, medium, large, whatever head size you have. I have a small head, so I picked small. I chose a 22-inch wig length. So we're gonna check this out. So that's what's in the box. We got the wig, child. We secure the bag with the wig. Comes with lashes right here. I'm gonna put this in my kit. As you guys know, I am a makeup artist, so you can never have enough lashes as a makeup artist. So I'm gonna throw this right inside my kit. It comes with a melting headband, so I appreciate that. It comes with a silk bonnet. Let's open it up and see. You can never have enough silk bonnets, you know what I mean? Very, very nice. You have an edge control brush. So you have this. You can never have enough of the edge control applicator or tool, whatever you call it, to slick back your baby hair. So it's good to have. Wig cap, period. I don't have a wig cap, so I think that's good to have. We're gonna use everything in this box, okay? And it comes with a stash. I love packagings that come with a stash so you can store things. Absolutely love it. All right, so let's apply the wig. So I'm gonna start by putting my wig cap on. So I braided my hair in 2 doo-doo braids. Very last minute. Yeah, here. So just regular doo-doo braids. It will suffice. I haven't put a wig in so long, so please bear with me. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna be doing this. This is supposed to be like a up and go type wig, glueless, like the least amount of work, and that's something that I need, okay? Because, girl, I'm not about to like do the most with my hair. You feel me? Not at all. So we're gonna do the hair. Let's open this up. I already like it. I already like it. Ooh! This is 22 inches, honey. Oh, okay. This is a lot of hair. I could feel the weight of it. It doesn't feel thin, honey. It doesn't feel thin. You know, some wigs that you get, it'd be thin. Like, it'd be thin in the end. Like, it'll be like, no. Like, we're not doing thin hair. And this, honey, Honey, this is not giving thin at all. This is giving density. It's giving heavy. It's giving body. And we didn't even put it on. Ooh! I never had a wig that's like pre-cut. Normally you have to do the work. Literally, they do the work for you. And this is how the lace looks. All right, look at the lace. I'm kind of excited. Oh my God. Already like styled. Like, okay, already, I'm already liking it. So let's go to the structure of the wig. It's already cut, it's already styled, already curled for you, okay? When you go underneath the wig, it comes with clips. You have one in the back, two in the side, hair clips so you can secure it. Not only that, but it comes with an adjustable headband so you could tighten it. It's not going anywhere, and I love that. You literally do not need to glue this. If you guys are just getting into wigs or you're trying to do protective styles, like, and you don't know what to do, I mean, let me not talk. Let me just put this on real quick. So here it is. Let's put this on, honey. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Girl, it is secure. It is freaking... This is my birthday hair. Bruh. Bruh. And I say, you up and leave. You put it on and you just go. Literally. Petite. I don't know how to act. I don't know how to act. I don't freaking know how to act right now. Look at the body. Look at the body. Okay? Look at, and I didn't do anything. I just slapped this baby on. I just put her on. I just put her on. All right. I just, this is my hair. Let me just, hold on. Let's, let me just push this down a little bit so I can hide, because I have a lot of baby hairs, like real life. So I'm just pushing the wig cap a little. Gotta push it a little forward. Gotta push this baby. Okay, it's secure. Hold on. Now, we got a little flap here, but that's fine. I'm just playing around with this. Like, I don't even need to, oh, I don't need to do anything. I don't need to do any, girl. All right, all right. All right, so we just put her on. This is gonna be my birthday hair. I already declare it. My birthday is in August, y'all. And yeah, I'm gonna, this is my birthday. What the fuck? Like, I just don't understand it. Like, I'm confused. This is like the best wig. Honestly, this is one of the best wigs that I ever put on my head. Okay? So this hair is the Glueless Ready to Go Body Wave 4x7 lace closure wig. Okay? It's 22 inches. The cap is a size small, but like I mentioned in the beginning, you could definitely pick a size to fit your head. They're small, medium, and large. So literally it is ready to go, glueless. Let me show you what's going on here. Let me just show you You know what I mean? Let me just show you what's going on here. We gotta show you this right here. I look like a whole different person. I look like a whole different person. This is the hair, not manipulated. All I did was pretty much comb it through, and you can see the curls are still here. The curls are still here. It's a lot of hair. It's a lot of hair. It's not bulky. And mind you, I have two big doo-doo braids underneath here. And so this is the hair, not manipulated, not at all, just out the box, okay? Mind you, this is a natural 1B. No highlights, regular. I like a dark hair. I'm a dark hair mommy. So this is the hair unmanipulated, okay? The body is bodying. So this is the hair, okay, 22 inches. This is curl. This is as long as it goes. Touch just above my butt, okay? I'm a center part mommy, but honestly, you can part it any way that you want. Look at this. Look at this. Stop playing with it. Stop playing with this hair. And then not only that, but it's minimum shedding. Minimum shedding. So right now I'm just gonna put powder on here. I don't like putting any liquids on my lace because if you put liquid, it starts to get gunky. And I don't like that at all. So I'm just gonna put some powder. The powder I'm using is from Juvia's Place. It's their foundation powder. This is in the shade Cameroon. So I'm just putting that in the lace. And look how, girl, that's it. That's it. That's it. Here, girl, I don't even need to do anything. I don't freaking need to do anything. I don't need to do anything. I have another light powder. It's lighter than the one that I use, Cameroon. This is like two shades, a shade or two lighter. So I'm just putting that in the center just to conceal everything, just to kind of put it in the lace right here. Okay. So I'm just gonna put some dots to be just on the edges. This is optional. So I have my actual baby hair still out. I didn't want to push my lace all the way down to my forehead. That's just not my look. So I'm gonna take my edge booster and I'm taking their edge brush and I'm just going to just lay my edges a little bit so it could just match. So now I'm just gonna take this right here and I'm just gonna use this to kind of just melt everything together. All right. Okay, so I'm so old school. Like, I know that if my tool is hot, if I smell it, if it smells hot, I know that it's hot. You know, do you guys do that? Let me know. Like, that's so old school. I learned that from my mom when my mom used to flat iron my hair when I was a kid. She used to do that all the time. Like, she's like, oh, it's hot, it's ready. She'll smell it. Maybe it's a Caribbean thing. I don't know. Let me know if your parents or your mom when you was younger did that. I was talking to my mom. Like, I was showing my mom and my sister the hair, right? And I'm like, what should I do with it? Like, I'm a type of person that when I have wigs and stuff like that, I get a little bit bold. Like, I literally start getting scissor happy. I start to experiment. But honestly, I'm not gonna do that with this wig. Like, that's how much I truly enjoy this hair, okay? I feel like I'm back. I feel like Girl, girl. Yo, this holds a curl. Even though you really don't need to curl it because it comes pre-styled already. But I just wanted to see how easy it is to curl. Look at how it holds a curl. Okay. Like this, like literally, if you guys are looking for an easy wig, this is it. Like, I'm not even doing the most. I'm not. And I'm leaving this hair alone. She's gonna stay just the way she is. Period. Oh, it's my sister. I want to show her the hair. Tama, look at this hair. Look at this hair, girl. Girl, look at this hair.
Oh my god. Hold on. I gotta put this right. I gotta put my Wi-Fi on. Oh my god, Sophie.
Tama, I feel like I'm not myself. I feel like I don't like.
You don't look yourself. Like, I've never seen this look on you before. And
hold on, girl.
looks so good. It's weird to see you with like your hair flat nowadays. And not with like a puffy
big
stuff.
wig, right? This is just like, I feel like it's the best. This hair is the best of both worlds.
The hair looks so good.
It holds a curl so well. So I just curl a few in the front because that's what I care about the most. And you could take any curling iron if you want. Like, I don't even see myself straightening it. You know what I mean? At all. At all. And mind you, girlies, like, I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything to the hair. Okay? At all. And I could always revive this hair with just a few curls. This, yo, I think I'm gonna wear this to work. I can't wait to see how this looks like with my uniform. And it holds a curl really well. And mind you, I didn't put any holding spray. I didn't put anything. This is just how the hair is. I did put mousse to kind of just, you know, make it a little bit more natural. But honestly, this is just the hair. I have nothing bad to say about this hair. Like, I really like this hair. So everything that you need to know about this hair will be in the description box down below. All the hair deets. My final thoughts, like I mentioned, I have nothing bad to say. Minimum shedding. It holds a curl very well. The hair is really, really soft and silky. It's a thick one. It's thick and I like it. So I like that it's super flat. Mind you, I have two doodle braids, okay? And I like that it's flat on top, so it doesn't look like you have any bulkiness here. And I like that you still have body, okay? So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let me know if you guys tried West Kiss hair. Leave it down in the comments down below if you tried it. Let me know your opinions on it, if you guys ever heard of the brand. I'm liking this. This is amazing. And yeah, this is just super cute or whatever. So loving it, and I will see you guys in a few days with another video. Bye guys.